Watch this.
We saw how deep in the meditation mode he went on that second run.
Here we go. Switch, frontside 540, sliding it around into the old double grab, frontside 5. What happened on that landing for the first trick? He didn't have his board all the way straight, and he actually slid his wheels all the way, like just forced it. I mean, that was a matter of pure survival right there.
And if that goes wrong,
you just get pitched to the flat, and that's a long way down to the flat. But Bob's loosey-goosey, he's got it.
Never ceases to amaze. Coming in switch here.
Switch, lean 540, you see that right there? I mean, it was like a 360 to a full 180 revert. And then this thing, this lean air to frontside grab 540, which I call the double fister. Look at that. That was, I mean, that's straight up skimboarding right there. And right there, the double grab.